not too bad. Leaving the hostel but not the city, it's time to head to Chow Kit, I think. It does look like it's going to start raining. I'm going to put the camera away. Given the rain literally destroyed my last Osmo Pocket, I'm not out here trying to take any risks with this one. I'm going to stand around here and wait for a taxi. Fingers crossed they'll let me check in early. Okay, I've just been dropped into Chow Kit. As you can see, here we are. We've got obviously a main road right next to the hotel that I'm going to be staying in is up there. I'm told my accommodation's like on the 30th floor, so the view will be much better than the last place. Pointed in the direction of the lift. There it is. Okay, so I've arrived to the Regalia building, but I'm not sure if I'm on the right floor. This looks very, very nice for a hostel. I'm going to keep my eye out. So here you can see my accommodation behind me, this building up there. I'm on floor 27, and on the 37th floor there is an infinity pool. Of course I want to check that out at some point when the rain stops. Sunway Putra Mall. Let's just say I've been warned about this place. Petty crimes including theft and drug-related altercations are just a few of the things that Google and other people have warned me about visiting the Putra shopping centre, because that's where we are here. You're going to see later on why I've decided to stay in Chow Kit despite the warnings that I've had from the hostel owner and from Google as well. The hotel and the pool that I'm staying at is absolutely amazing. And, of course I can't wait to show you that later on in the video. For now I'm going to go and get some money out. I need to get 50 ringgit for my hostel deposit, and let's go for an explore. You're going to have to forgive me. It was 2 donuts for 5 ringgit. It's about 80p. So this here is the view from the 20th floor where my hostel is over there. You can see it's got a pretty nice view in here. Where we're heading now is another 17 floors in the air. We're going to the rooftop pool. This is pretty much the only reason I booked this hostel. See you soon. It's always awkward when you're filming yourself walking into a lift and it's full of people. Where am I? What the hell have I come to? Oh my goodness me. Wow. What the hell? Why can't I? What? So, I'm in the restaurant. Hopefully this way is to the pool. And this view, here we go. Oh my goodness me. Now look at that for a view. This is insane. This is actually insane. What an incredible view from this infinity pool. We got the Merdeka 118. course there we have the KL tower I went up yesterday, and of course the Petronas Towers in the distance as well. I can't say I've ever been to a pool with a better view than this. That's incredible. Now all we need to check out is the temperature. Is the pool a comfortable pool, or is it freezing cold like all the others? Let's go find out. Pool I've ever been in, but not the coldest by any means either. This view is ridiculous. This is just amazing. It's not the warmest pool, not the coldest either. It's really, really nice. But this view, check that out for a view. It's a shame about this obstruction, but oh man. To think that this accommodation has cost me £4 a night. And for £4 a night I get access to this pool until 10 PM. Meaning it's gonna be pitch black later on. I think I'm gonna have to firm the cold and come and give it another go. Just one more quick look at this view before I put the camera away. That is an extremely long way down. Look at that for a city view of Kuala Lumpur, one of my favourite cities in the world.